Let me show you. So let's say for example, so I'm on this screen, and if you click on, let's say, these are the list of the funnels, right? So if you click on three dots, you can click on clone. You can click on clone, and it will ask you to give the name of it. And then for me, it's showing what location do I want to add because I'm added to multiple sub accounts, multiple accounts. But for you, it will just duplicate it right into your account. And the other way to do that is, let's say for example, I don't want to clone the whole funnel. Let's say I want to clone a specific page. I can also do this. Like either you can go and clone one by one, pages one by one. Let's say for example, click on clone funnel step and clone step in this funnel. Or you can choose the location. Let's say for example, your own location will be selected automatically for you. And now you can choose it. Which funnel do you want to clone this step to? So these are the list of the funnels that I have in this demo toolbox account, and it's asking me. So this is also another feature. Like this way, this is a handy feature. Why? Because whether you have a funnel, whether you have a website, if you want to bring a page from another funnel or website into the one that you're working on, you can simply like go to that page, the one that you want to duplicate, click on clone, and then choose the name of the funnel that you want to add it to. Or there's another feature. Let's say, for example, if I add a new step, I would do demo, create funnel step, and and in here, now you can create from blank or use existing. When you click on the use existing, it will ask you like what page is it that you want to import. So I'll tell them that yeah, it's a funnel that I want to import. It will ask me to choose the name of the funnel, and now it will ask me to choose what step is it. Let's say for example, yeah, I want to clone this step, and then you can click on import, and that page will come up right over here. So that's how you can do that.